this video, let's talk about why do you need to install half-century wheel spacers on your Tesla Model S. Let's go. The wheel spacers are available in two types, one with half-century and one without half-century. Installing the half-century wheel spacers can provide high stability. Bonus wheel spacers have a multi-stage half-century design. This design allows the spacers to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage half-century design of Bonus makes the installation more fitting and safer. The wheel spacers can eliminate the possibility of shaking caused by a wheel position that is not centered with the brake rotor. Professional wheel spacers manufacturer and auto parts reviewers prefer half-century wheel spacers over lug-century wheel spacers. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.